In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an academic journal database in just 5 minutes. This straightforward process will leverage the tools available in Notion, allowing you to seamlessly organize your research papers, literature reviews, and other academic resources. Whether you're a student, a researcher, or someone who simply loves to keep their information organized, this method will definitely come in handy. To begin, navigate to your connected workspace in Notion, which is a hub for all your wiki, docs, and projects. If you're unfamiliar with Notion, it's a versatile productivity tool that can help you manage everything from personal tasks to collaborative projects. Once you're in your workspace, find and click on Explore in the menu. This will open up a world of templates and pre-made resources that you can utilize to set up your own academic journal database efficiently. Next, click on Templates. Notion offers a rich library of templates designed for various purposes, from simple task lists to intricate project management boards. In the search bar, type in Academic Journal to find templates specifically curated for academic purposes. This will bring up several options, allowing you to choose one that suits your specific needs and preferences. Once you've found a suitable template that meets your requirements, go ahead and select it. At this point, you might want to consider the layout and format that will work best for you. Remember, you're not limited to using the template as is. You can always tweak it later to better fit your style or workflow. After selecting a template, simply click on Add to incorporate it into your workspace. With the template now added to your workspace, it's time to personalize it. Click on Edit to start customizing the template. You can add or remove sections, change headings, and input your own content. This flexibility allows you to design a database that truly caters to how you manage and categorize academic journals. As you personalize your database, consider adding tags for easier navigation and retrieval of information. For instance, you could tag journals based on research areas like psychology, biology, or technology. Additionally, you may add fields for authors, publication dates, and journal abstracts to ensure all relevant data is immediately accessible. And there you have it, your very own academic journal database built in just a few minutes. This database will not only keep your academic resources organized, but also make it easier for you to track, review, and reference materials in your scholarly activities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful. Happy organizing!